Hi, in this video I will talk you about how you can use one of our advanced strategies for the performance labelizer. This advanced strategy is that we create a spreadsheet for every country which we advertise in, so that we have the performance per country for the labelizer. So what you need to do is you have your main configuration, which you have already set up in most cases. But then what you need to do is create the name of a label for each country. So what this includes is that, for example, if you want to have only the data from Germany, you set the name of label in the spreadsheet to Germany, and you also create a label in Google Ads. You create this at the single account level and not at the MCC level, and you name it Germany. You apply those to the campaigns that are running in Germany, for example, your shopping and your Performance Max campaigns. Then both values should be 100% the same because they are also case sensitive. And then what it will do, if you run the script again, it will retrieve all the product information and metrics from only the Germany campaigns. The only thing that you will notice is that for every product that is not in a Germany campaign, it will still show up in the spreadsheet, but it will show 0 for metrics or performance. You can do this for every country, and what you need to do is follow the same structure for Germany and then duplicate a new sheet, configure the new sheet and create also a new script in the script environment. So you have like one for Germany, one for the Netherlands, one for France. You configure those with all of your name of labels, so France, Germany, Netherlands, and then you also apply the campaign labels to the campaign. Then if you want to also implement it in Google Merchant Center to use it in your campaigns, you add the supplemental feeds to the primary data source. And you only do this, for example, with your France spreadsheet. You only do this to France and for Germany. And that's how you split the performance. And it gives you a nice overview how every country is doing instead of the whole account. That's everything you need to know on how to set up the strategy. I hope you find this advanced strategy very useful.